Hey there folks, it's June the 3rd and we're back at the homestead. The excavator guys, they got back and they did a few more days work. They got tied up on another project, but they're back and they got a little bit of work done. I want to show you what they've accomplished in a couple of days. First of all, they've moved this birch. Now this birch was right on the edge of the driveway, and we asked them if they could, pick her up and move her in there, and they did. So we just have to watch her for a few days and water her and make sure that she likes her new home. So let me show you what they got done inside. So you may remember from a prior video, a lot of this was cobbly rock. Well, they brought in some nice, let's say, gray clay type soil to make it easier to drive on. This is not the finished grade, but this is getting closer. And you may remember there were banks on either side, a higher bank on this side and a lower one on this. And they're pretty much non-existent now, just a little bit of tapering and we're good. They cut in around the bank there to give a nice big turnaround. And there was a big pile of trees there, or branches, and a big pile of moose rocks. Now the trees have been, I understand, dragged in there. And the moose rocks, well, they've been put, as far as I know, in the second leg of the driveway. Now this here, you may remember being a rather high bank. I think it might have been maybe 2 feet high. It's all filled in. And this is like grade now pretty much with the lot in there.